Hello, my name is METİN Arıdaşır. This is 144th part of explanation of my theory. According to my theory and my formulas, a trapped electron has momentum. Arıdaşır's Electron Motion Form concept. 1. As I told you before, mass concept belongs to wave intrinsically, and itself, which is intrinsic, regular, cyclical, repetitive motion form of meta-sensation perception matter that we can never see directly. 2. As an intertwined successive ring wave source, the electron motion form has nothing to do with ordinary objects, particles, which are in our subjective, sensible and perceivable reality as our life experiences. Electron motion forms accept these ordinary objects. They are in different platforms. They are in different realities. Electron motion form belongs to meta-sensation perception matter that we cannot see directly. Meta-sensation perception matter reality. Electron motion form belongs to meta-sensation perception matter reality. Ordinary matters, ordinary objects or ordinary particles, say, belong to subjective reality. Subjective reality, life experiences, meta-sensation perception matters, motion forms, interactions, effects are constituent effects of our subjective reality as life experiences. Ordinary particles or ordinary objects are effects of these intrinsic and unseen interactions, motion interactions of meta-sensation perception matter. As an intertwined successive ring wave source, the electron motion form have nothing to do with ordinary objects, ordinary particles, which are in our subjective, sensible and perceivable reality as our life experiences. Electron motion form belongs to meta-sensation perception matter reality, not as an object. It is there as intrinsic, specific motion form of meta-sensation perception matter. Electron motion form is not in the meta-sensation perception matter as a particle. And electron motion form is its intrinsic motion forms. 3. Not as a electron motion form belongs to meta-sensation perception matter reality, not as an object. It is there as intrinsic specific motion form of meta-sensation perception matter. 3. And mass is intrinsic property of electron motion form and its successive waves. 4. As a continuous cyclical motion form, electron motion form is not at rest itself. Electron motion form is not at rest itself. cycling. Here at rest, not relocating, electron motion form, say. But cycling goes on, okay? Through the eternity. Yes. 4. As a continuous cyclical motion form, electron motion form is not at rest itself. Each point of its spherical surface is in motion. Therefore, it is not important whether it is relocating displacement or it is at rest itself. There is no intrinsically at rest electron motion form. But an electron motion form can relocate. Can make this displacement from here to there. Okay. While doing this, here we say electron motion form is in motion. It is relocating. Or, if it is not relocating, mean not displacement, it is at rest. But cycling as motion form in meta-sensation perception matter is going on. Yes. Here at rest, electron motion form means electron motion form is not in motion. It is not relocating, no displacement. 5. There are no rest mass and rest momentum are in meta-sensation perception matter and in universes intrinsically. 6. Electron motion form has at rest mass. Electron motion form has at rest energy, and electron motion form has at rest momentum. I have shown you before at rest mass, at rest energy, and at rest momentum of electron motion form that I computed according to my theory and my formulas. Here, at rest masses, C component masses, and linear velocity component masses. Okay? And here, left side, mass formula hidden in energy formula. These formulas are mine. I have put forth these formulas. Some of my formulas, 2 of that is equal, this energy is equal to this energy, okay? Snapshot again. Snapshot again. And snapshot again. C component of electron motion form, linear velocity component, different energy formulas, okay? Remember from my former videos. Yes. 7. In accepted physics, say in relativity theory, say Wikipedia is the source of these sentences. According to relativity, mass is nothing else than the rest energy of a system of particles, meaning the energy of that system in a reference frame where it has 0 momentum. Source, Wikipedia, mass. 8. Whereas for an electron motion form to be has 0 momentum means there is no electron motion form. Whether it is at rest or it is relocating, prerequisite for being existence of electron motion form is to have a moment. Now, This electron motion form, at rest electron motion form is going to cycling through the eternity, cycle, but at rest, no displacement, no relocating. Then, at rest electron motion form in meta-sensation perception matter. And as meta-sensation perception matter, we cannot see it directly. Say, yes. C component mass 2.42 10 to the minus 35 kilogram. Linear velocity component of mass is 3.85 10 to the minus 36 kilogram. And energy formulas. If you look my former videos, I have computed at rest electrons momentum. Because of these, one of my two formulas is equal. This formula is equal to this formula. Okay. In this formula, energy formula, inside of red line, mass formula, my mass formula. Here, inside of red line, momentum formula, my momentum formula. If electron motion form is at rest, not relocating, electron motion form's velocity is 0 here, and we find at rest mass of electron motion form. Then this energy equal to this energy volume. Okay. And here this energy formula and this energy formula, my formulas is energy formulas. If electron motion form is not relocating, if velocity of electron motion form is 0, delta lambda will be 0. Here, this energy will equal to this energy, at rest electron motion form's energy, but in spite of the electron motion form is at rest, here delta lambda may be 0. It's not important. There is lambda normal. Here, point momentum is a value. I have computed this once upon a time and I have shown it. 91.155 nanometer wavelength size electron motion forms at rest momentum is 0.07269 10 to the minus 25 kilogram per second. This is electron motion forms at rest momentum volume for 91.155 nanometer wavelength size electron motion form. At rest electron motion forms, at rest momentum is equal to 0.07269 10 to the minus 25 kilogram per second. Whether it is. Yes, whereas for an electron motion form to be has zero momentum means there is no electron motion form. If this momentum were zero, this energy value is equal to this energy value. And build equality, if this is 0, this will be 0 spontaneously. And we don't see electron motion form also. Because without energy, it is impossible. There is no electron motion form at rest or in motion. It is impossible to be existence for electron motion form without energy. Because of this, if at rest momentum were 0, energy would be 0 of electron motion form, but there is no 0 energy value electron motion form in universe. Have a good evening. See you later.